Hello everybody, we are on step 37 of learning HTML forms by building a registration form on freeCodeCamp.org. The text area element acts like an input element of type text, but comes with the added benefit of being able to receive multi-line text and an initial number of text rows and columns. Users will be able to register with a bio, add a label with the text provided bio at the end of the field set, add a text area element inside the label element. Okay. So we need to add a label element with the text provide a bio with a text area like that. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.